Be prepared for a flat tire emergency with the safest and easiest tire repair product on the market. Ready to repair? Here's what you need to do. Move your tire slightly to ensure that tire valve stem is at 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock position. For better performance, shake the can vigorously for 30 seconds. Remove the can overcap. Unwind the hose and attach it tightly to your tire valve stem. Hold the can upright and firmly push down on the black button. The repair sealant and air will immediately begin to dispense into your tire. Make sure the tire rim lifts off the ground. When white liquid stops moving through the hose, release the button and unscrew the can from your tire. Immediately drive at reduced speed for 3 to 5 kilometers to help the sealant spread and increase your tire pressure. Have your tire professionally repaired after driving a distance between 100 and 150 kilometers at maximum driving speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Hachtyre Inflate Ride gets you back on the road.